seen the first of the subway station at the Madrid airport. I'm going to go downtown now to the Gran Via where my hotel is. Actually, it's nice to catch a subway from an airport to a downtown area. I wish we had something like that in Toronto, that's for sure. So I'm going to make my way down and go downtown in Madrid. Well, it's now 12:45. I've just arrived in Madrid in the Hotel Alcázar Regis, 61 Gran Via. These young ladies here, I think, are here from Italy, and they were all wearing wedding veils. I don't know if this is some sort of a stagette or something. It's interesting. I'm on the 5th floor here. I booked this place through the internet. See, there's somebody with a wedding veil as well. So it's an interesting place. I had to take the freight elevator for people with heavy suitcases, except the freight elevator is tiny, tiny, tiny. You can only fit one person in a medium-sized suitcase in there. It's going to be quite interesting to check out this place right here in the heart of Madrid. Okay, my room here at the Hotel Alcázar Regis on the Gran Via in Madrid is finally ready for me. A little more basic than what I've seen in the last few days. This is actually very interesting. There is a bathroom included in here. This is budget accommodation in Madrid, but it's not bad. It's got a shower stall. Let me see what's outside. I can't see, okay. Always nosy, You're seeing some windows here. I booked this basically over the internet a couple of months ago, and it was extremely inexpensive, 29 euros. And it's interesting because it's located right on the Gran Via, which is Madrid's biggest commercial street, and full of bars and restaurants and shops and all sorts of stuff. And from everything that I've been reading, it's going to be loud here until like 5 in the morning, but this window is actually facing the other way, away from the big road. So it's going to be budget accommodation for the next couple of days, but it's got its own bathroom. It's got a little TV here. So I'm going to set off right now and head outside into hot Madrid at 1:30 in the afternoon, and we're going to take it from there. Let me show you the hustle and bustle of Madrid at 1:40 in the afternoon on June the 1st. I just checked in here in this building up here. My hotel is on the 5th floor. There's another hotel located on the 2nd floor. Something that seems to be quite common in Madrid. It's the first time I see that, and I think they do that in Rome as well, where different floors of old buildings are allocated to hostels and hotels and all that type of stuff. And I'm walking down the Gran Via right now, which literally translated means Broadway. And it is reminiscent to some degree of Times Square in New York. It's very, very busy. It's the commercial hub of Madrid. And the Gran Via ends here at the Plaza de España, one of Madrid's important squares. There are some high-rise buildings here, buildings from the early 20th century all around. The building that I'm in is about 100 years old as well. And I am looking for a place now where I can eat something. I'm absolutely famished. I didn't really have breakfast today when I left Salamanca. So I'm looking for something quick to eat here before I go and check out the city. As you can see, very, very busy. Lots of people, very warm. Close to 30 degrees, I would say. A little bit overcast.